Welcome to CaseWare QuickVids. This QuickVid will demonstrate how styles function and how they can be modified in the financial statements. The QuickVid will cover the following: applying a firm style sheet to the financial statements, changing styles on description lines, changing styles on text, and changing styles using the styles and formatting dialog. Statements are generated using the firm's default style sheet. You must consider whether the firm author has created a unique style sheet and if that alternate style sheet should be applied. A style sheet is a collection of individual styles that can make up attributes that can be attributed to a paragraph or table area. A style includes items, for example, font size, font type, spacing before and after, justification, just to name a few. Therefore, once the style sheet is applied, all these attributes will automatically flow into the financial statements and thus ensure there is a consistent firm look to all financial statements. Please note, your firm may limit access to numerous style options and features at the engagement level. This demonstration assumes all the available style permissions are enabled. If your firm has created multiple style sheets, you can apply an alternate firm style sheet. From the template menu, select Options, Style Sheet. Depending on firm settings, there may be 1 or 2 style sheets or up to 8. In this demonstration, the current style sheet applied is Modern, a CaseWare default style sheet. From the list, however, I can select to apply an alternative style sheet. Mine is called CaseWare QuickVid Style Sheet, which is a firm modified style sheet. Once selected, a warning appears advising you that if you have made style changes to a particular financial statement, the changes will be overridden by the firm style sheet. In this case, since we've not made any changes that we have to consider, select OK. In this example, notice the font size in the tables is changed, the heading justification has centered, and color has been added to the numeric columns. Once the style sheet is applied, if the firm has enabled permissions, you can make certain style changes. A simple example is placing the cursor on the current assets title line. In the Case View style box, you are able to view the style associated with the selected paragraph. Notice the name applied to this line is Balance Sheet Description Title. Changing the indent on a description line will change the style of that line. For example, selecting the Increase Indent button, the style changes to Balance Sheet Level 1 Title. In certain areas, the Case View style box can be used directly to change the style of the selected paragraph. This is only available in certain areas of the financial statements. For example, in the Orders Report, if the RP text style is selected, the Case View style box is enabled. Selecting the style box drop-down, you can view the other text styles that can be applied to the paragraph. In this example, RP text indent is selected. Notice this particular style contains an indent on the paragraph. In certain areas, the Case View menu options to underline, bold, italicize, and change paragraph alignment can be accessed using the appropriate Case View buttons. If your firm has provided the permissions, returning to the balance sheet, from the template menu, select the Styles and Formatting button in the template menu to open the Styles and Formatting dialog. In the dialog, you are able to make additional changes to specific areas of the financial statements. In the dialog, the left frame lists all the areas that can be modified. There are numerous options to consider that include changes to the lowest level, such as this paragraph, and to the highest level, such as entire document. This allows you to make changes to whole areas quickly. Once an option on the left is selected, the right frame displays all the attributes that can be changed using the dialog. These include the font size, font type, justification, spacing before and after, font effects, and additional options. Please see the help if you need additional details on the properties and attributes accessible in this dialog. In this example, selecting this column will modify the description column of the balance sheet, as this is the current location of the cursor. Only those options selected to change will be modified. You will notice that the font size, font type, justification are set to no change. Similarly, spacing before and after are not displaying any changes. The same methodology holds for font effects. When the checkboxes are displaying solid green, this implies no changes are being made to the style. Selecting the checkbox once clears all bolding in the column. Selecting the checkbox again will apply bolding to the whole paragraph, or in this case the whole column. Select Apply. Notice all the styles in the description column are bolded. It is important to point out the Options style sheet. This option is for advanced users who wish to see every style in the template and make specific detailed changes to certain styles. Once style changes have been applied, select Close. Please note, this is a very quick demonstration of the Styles and Formatting dialog. It is a very useful tool for staff to modify statements for needs in individual engagements. Note, however, though if you are making a significant amount of changes, you may want to discuss with your firm administrator whether the firm style sheet should be adjusted. Any changes you make will stay with the engagement file on a year-end close. It is imperative to remember that making changes to styles in the financial statements will override the firm style sheet. Thus, if you reload the firm style sheet again, customizations done at the engagement level will be lost. That concludes the quick vid on styles in the financial statements. Thank you for watching CaseWare Quick Vids.